all Muslims, Dalits, left, everybody should have their activist economy, the way of doing things. But Sharjeel was somebody who realized that it's important to escape the activist economy in two fashion. One, making a disruption. Chakka Jam was such an idea, making a disruption in a discriminate, objective, ethical sense. Shaheen Bagh ho ya the larger controversy which he was put charged with UAPA about the Assam, about having a larger Chakka Jam. It was actually a discriminate form of disruption that imagined. So to escape the routinized, repetitive, not so legitimate activist economy, one is to make a discriminate disruptions. Second is to reach out to the awam, the larger people, getting away from our own space of violence and our own comfort zone. These are two ideas that he must have critiqued in any form of activist economy. तो हिंदू सिटीजनरी एक बात है, एक्टिविस्ट इकोनॉमी एक बात है, दो आइडिया मैं ये दो शब्द ये दो आइडिया आपके सामने इसलिए रख रहा हूँ कि शर्जील जैसे एक ऑर्गेनिक एक शार्प कॉन्क्रीट इंटेलेक्चुअल, उनके जो बात है, उनके जो ठोस है, उनके जो रिफ्लेक्शंस है, उनसे हमें बहुत ऐसे मॉडल्स मिलता है. And the one thing that I want to say is we Muslims, as Muslims, still regard the idea of political as an engagement with Hindu citizenry. We still do hold the left people, the progressive Hindu people, responsible in our movement to succeed against a larger Hindu nationalism. Assalamu alaikum.